Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. So today we're going to discuss about MCCB, that means molded case circuit breaker. So in this video we will see that MCCB is protecting against which faults and also up to what rating we can use the MCCB. Also we're going to see the advantages and the working principle of MCCB. Also we are going to see that applications of MCCB in the industries also. So these all things are going to discuss in a very basic manner, so I will request you to watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very informative for you guys. So let's start the video without wasting much time, guys. So first of all, let's see why the concept of MCCB is arrived in the market. So previously we were using the fuse for the protection purpose. So the problem in that fuse was we had to replace it again and again after every fault occurrence in the system. So this was the disadvantages with a fuse. So for the replacement of the fuse, the concept of MCB was arrived. But the problem in the MCB is that it can only be used for maximum current of 63 ampere. So beyond 63 ampere, we can't use MCB for protection point of view. So for that replacement, we have to use the MCCB. One thing you have to remember about the MCCB, that MCCB will provide the current rating up to 1000 ampere. So MCCB can provide the under frequency protection and also it can give the phase sequence protection. The third one that is most important, that is low power factor protection. So now let's talk about the MCCB working principle. So MCCB is having the same working principle like MCB. There is a bimetallic strip is available, and whenever the current in the system goes beyond the limit, then the temperature of the bimetallic strip increases. So due to high temperature, the bimetallic strip gets bent and it changes the contact, and then MCCB will trip. So like this the MCCB works. So this is the working principle of MCCB and the basic concept of MCCB. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.